So in this video, you'll learn how to screen record your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to screen recording is to access the quick settings menu. Once you've accessed it, look for screen recorder and tap on it. And then from here, you can now go through the process of setting up your screen recorder to start using it. So the first step you'll be asked is if you wish to record sound, and you have three options. You can select none, so it won't record any sound. You can select media, or you can choose media and mic. So media is just basically any sound being emitted from your phone. And then media and mic is any sound being emitted from your phone, as well as your S24 using the inbuilt microphones to capture any sounds from its surroundings. So make your choice between which option you'd prefer to use. And then you also have the choice of allowing taps and touches to be shown during the screen recording. So if you want them allowed, just tap on the toggle to enable it. But if you don't want them allowed, tap on the toggle to turn it off. And then once you've made your choice, just tap on start recording. You'll be given a countdown and then it will start screen recording. So any motion that you're currently doing on your phone screen will be recorded onto your device. Then at the very top, you should see a taskbar that you can use whenever it comes to screen recording. So with this taskbar, you have this pencil icon that allows you to draw on the screen. So you can even change the color as well as the thickness of the pen. And then you can just go ahead and draw on the screen and it will still be added to the screen recording. So if there's a note that you want to write, you can just write the note and then it will still be put in the screen recording. If you want to remove it, just tap on the pencil icon again and it will be removed. If you want to add a secondary camera, so this is going to be the selfie camera, just tap on this person icon here, like that, and then the selfie camera will be added to the screen recording. So you can see here, there's a small miniature selfie camera right there, and basically it will just be recording the person who's screen recording. If you want to get rid of it, tap on that icon again, and it will disappear. If you want to pause your screen recording, just tap on this pause icon. The screen recording will be paused, and you can even tell because the numbers have refused to continue increasing. Then when you're ready, just tap on record again, and it will continue screen recording. To stop the recording, tap on stop, and the screen recording will be saved. In order for you to view and access your screen recording, just navigate to the gallery app, and then from here, it should be under the list of your latest pictures. So when I tap on it, I can view it from here. But if you don't see it listed right here, or it's been a few days and you don't want to keep scrolling through your photos to look for it, then you can always just come to albums. And then under albums, you want to go to the screen recordings section. From here, you should see your screen recording, and now you can view it, and you can even edit it, share it, and all sorts of things simply from your S24's gallery app. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.